What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the Seng index with the ticker symbol HSI. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for HSI, and it's not looking good. We just made a lower low, so it looks like we could be seeing further downside. And I'll go over the reasons why. So basically, prices were previously inside this downtrend right here, and you can see how this channel contains all the price bars. And then there was a break outside of it, which shows signs of weakness of this downtrend. Made a new low, and then after the new low, prices reversed. It got above the EMA, it bounced off of it, and then it failed. So prices shot right back down. And now the EMA is acting as overhead resistance 3 times. So we had a triple top, and basically prices, broke out on the bottom side of this range, and it looks like we could be seeing lower prices. So I'll mark the horizontal line that we could hit, which is right over here. And I marked this line because of a prior strong support here in December of last year, March of this year, and the measure move target. So this is all one leg right here, and this is the second attempt. So what the market participants are doing is trying to reach this leg down right here. So this is all one leg down. This high right over here is lower than this one, so that's why I can use a measured move. So this is one leg down, the second leg started right over here, so this is the first attempt to reach it. The market will try 2 times. This is the second attempt to reach it, so we'll see if the market can reach this measurable target right here, and maybe that will lead to a bounce. So that's all I have on the daily chart. Basically, I see a lot of weakness. Prices bounced off this level right over here in last year. It sent prices all the way up to the 22,680. Prices came back down to the same level again, but look at this time, it was much lower high. And we're seeing lower highs, lower lows. EMA is acting as overhead resistance. Measure move targets are pointing lower. So it looks kind of bearish for HSI. So since we just saw a recent breakout, prices could come back to retest it. So this is the range pattern. Prices broke outside of it. We could see a retest and then go lower, or we could just see prices continue to plummet down lower. So those are my 2 possible situations. What also can occur is we just do a failed breakout and retrace back in the range, but I think that's just less likely based on the context. Context shows that prices are really weak, and it's not something you would be expecting for prices to fail here and reverse. Maybe if it was an uptrend, maybe like right over here, so you can see this was like kind of like a failed breakout right over here, and that's what led to higher prices. So if we get a failed breakout, is that going to lead to higher prices? Well, the context is much different. We're getting rejected from the EMA. Measurable targets are lower, so the context is different. So I'm not expecting prices to come back inside this range. I'm expecting to come back lower to retest the low point right over here. So that's all I have on the daily chart. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart to wrap it all up. So here we have the weekly chart. I'm going to go and mark the key levels. You can see that prices got a triple top at this 22,185 level, previously acting as support. Now it has confirmed as resistance. But there is support just slightly below where prices are currently trading at this 19,152 level. So basically, it looks like prices are coming back to retest it. You can see that we have several red bars in the past several weeks. So it's looking bearish. I'm saying we're gonna probably come back to retest these lows right over here, and maybe even see lower prices, because on the weekly chart there was this downtrend in play right over here. Massive downtrend. We got the second test, third test, fourth test of it, and prices got an overshoot. Overshoots lead to a breakout on the opposite side, which we did get, or even a reversal. So unfortunately, the reversal did not occur because this level right here was very strong as resistance. Prices got rejected from it, got sent down lower. And now since we got down lower, we can make 2 legs down, 2 attempts at this prior low point. So that's usually the technical rules. After a channel break, you can expect 2 attempts down. So this was the first attempt, and we are currently in the formation of the second attempt down, which is targeting the 16,989 level. So this could fail, and we don't have to reach it because there is this support in the way. So is prices going to break it and reach this measurable target, or is this support going to hold and send prices up? It's expected that it would hold because that's what happened in the past, but with the context, it could lead to that breakout. So if it fails, what I want to see is prices get back above the EMA, try to go 2 times, trap shorts, and that will probably lead to a good push up, probably back up to retest this 22,161 level. So that's all I have on the weekly chart. hopefully you guys understand that the daily chart is looking weak, and also the weekly chart is looking weak. So I'm looking for lower price targets because prices are back below the EMA. We're seeing a lot of rejection at higher price levels, and it probably wants to come back to test a strong support, which is at lower price levels. So that's why I'm looking for lower price targets, and maybe, you know, we do fail to reach that second leg down, and that could lead to the reversal. But as right now, it's looking like it can occur. Let me go in the past and show you guys exactly what I mean by 2 attempts down. So we can look at this chart right here. It's the same chart, but we can look at this past price action. So I'm not just, you know, making stuff up where you see that 2 attempts down. So you can see there was a downtrend right here. Prices made 1 attempt down, and prices try to go down 2 times. So again, the market moves in 2. So there's 1 attempt down. Price is going to form the second attempt. So the second attempt would have started right over here, targeting the 16,303 level. So you clearly see that there was 3 red bars that went down. So this was the first attempt at reaching this leg down. Prices pulled back, and then we made a couple red bars, and then right when it failed, it got back up with the EMA. That's when it led to this huge push up. So the shorts got trapped because there was strong support in the way. So we can look at that. We can go more in the past right over here too. So there was this downtrend. Prices broke the channel, tried to go down once, twice, failed, led to a big push up. So, you know, just look in the past, and that will help you see what can occur in the future. So we had this massive dump down. Prices went down once right over here. Let me go and erase the drawing. This is the first attempt down, and this was the second attempt. Second attempt could not meet this prior low point, and you can see the bulls capitalized on the shorts mistake, and it led to this huge push up. All the shorts got trapped out who entered on this breakout, and who thought prices would continue to go lower, and you can see the market just took all their money. So that's what I'm saying can occur over here. So we had the downtrend. All this is the downtrend. Let me go and draw it a little bit better. So all this is the downtrend right over here. So we had the first attempt down right over here. We are currently in the formation of the second attempt. So the second attempt could fail at this level right here, which can lead to higher prices. We'll have to wait and see. But if it doesn't, then we're probably going to continue lower, reset measure move target, and possibly even retest these lows. So we just have to go off the attempts the market is making and see if it can fail. The expectation is that it could fail because we had an overshoot and a huge move up. So we'll have to wait and see. But that's all I have for HSI this week. I'm expecting probably lower prices in the coming weeks. And I'll give you guys an update next week, Sunday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.